Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we break down complex programming concepts into easy to understand bytes. Today we're diving into one of the most popular design patterns in software development, the Singleton pattern. So grab your coffee and let's get started. The Singleton pattern is a design pattern that ensures a class has only one instance and provides a global point of access to that instance. It's incredibly useful in scenarios where you need to control access to some shared resource like a login system, configuration settings, or a connection pool. Let's dive into some code to see how this works. Imagine we have a class called logger. We want to make sure that there's only one instance of this class throughout the entire application. Here's how it works. We have a logger class with a private constructor. This prevents other classes from creating instances of logger directly. Instead, we use a static property instance to get the single instance of logger. This structure ensures that no matter how many times you call logger.instance, you'll always get the same instance. This is achieved using the lazy T type, which ensures that the instance is created only when it's needed and it's thread safe. Now let's see how we can use this singleton logger in our application. In our main method, we get the logger instance using logger.instance and log some messages. We then check to see if logger1 and logger2 are the same instance, which they are. This is the power of the Singleton pattern, ensuring a single shared instance across the entire application. So, when should you use the Singleton pattern? It's perfect for scenarios where you need a single point of control or coordination, such as managing configuration settings, login, or caching. However, be mindful of its downsides, like potential issues with global state and testing difficulties. And that's the Singleton pattern in a nutshell. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching and happy coding.